Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how I got this scrunchie done. This scrunchie is all shade of beautiful, and this particular one you're seeing are from an acrylic yarn, a 40-gram acrylic fiber yarn. And one thing I love about this scrunchie is the fact that every material I use in this video is very accessible, and there are actually stuffs you can get in your area. And I used a rubber band instead of the normal ring band. I used a rubber band to make this tutorial because this is very accessible. It's something you can get in your area, so I had to like improvise. If you're looking forward to owning a crochet scrunchie, this is what you need. So I am replacing this rubber band. I'm using this rubber band instead of a ring band, the usual ring band I was supposed to use. So I'm using a rubber band instead. So the materials I'll be needing is this yarn. This yarn is a thrifted yarn. I got this yarn 2 years ago from a thrift vendor. She's not a yarn vendor, she sells thrifted stuff. So she was lucky to see this yarn, or this yarn was part of her thrifted bill that was shipped to the country. So I bought it from her. I don't know the brand, but this is like, I think this is, I don't know the net weight, but the strands are quite heavy. So I'll be using this yarn for the hairband, to make the hairband, because I love the colors and the mixtures and all of those other stuffs. You can decide to use any other yarn of your choice. Any yarn you feel you are comfortable with, you can go for that. But this was like the perfect pick for me. And as you can see, the weight of the yarns are quite heavy. They are not tiny strands, they are quite heavy strands. So I will be needing a rubber band, of course, and a 4mm crochet hook. Yeah, and I will need a cutter, a scissors, and I will need a stitch marker also. So let's get right into the video. So to get started, I will need 4 of these rubber bands. Okay, sorry, 5 of the rubber bands. You can actually go for 4 or more. It's either 4 or more. It shouldn't be lesser than 4. It should be 4 and above. So I actually settled for 5 of these because I want it to be like very thick. I don't want my hairband cutting off or going off or losing its elasticity along the way. So I needed like a very thick texture, so I had to go with 5 of this. So this was enough, and this band is very stretchy. The elasticity is just out of this world. Yeah, so I took 5 strands or 5 bands of this, and I'll be working with 5 of these. Yeah, so to get started, row 1, you make a slip knot just like so. And you go into the band just the way I did with the slip knot you created. You place a single crochet to fasten. So for this row, this is our row 1, and for this row 1, what I'll be doing basically, I will try to coat this band. I'll try to cover this band with this yarn. So I will go around this band with a single crochet stitch. So I have placed one single crochet in this on the band, and basically what I'll be doing going forward is placing single crochet all the way around, like round the band to cover the band. Like, so basically I'm trying to coat the band with the yarn. So I'll place single crochet all the way around. So I have placed 2 single crochets. I will go into the first stitch I made with my stitch marker to mark the first stitch, so I won't get confused when I get to the end or close to the first stitch. So going forward, I'll place single crochet all around, 1 single crochet all around. I will place it closely to close the band, so it won't show like it. I'll close it tightly or closely so it won't show up after everything. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know what the best words to use, but yeah. So that's what basically I'm doing, closing the band with the yarn. So I'm using a single crochet to do that basically. So I'll place a single crochet all the way around till the end. So I am at the end of the first row and I have successfully coated the band with iron. So I'll go into the very first stitch I made with a slip stitch to end. So I've successfully ended the first row. So to get started with our second row, I will chain 3, and I'm going to that very first chain where I made chain 3 with a double crochet. I'll go into the next space. I'll place a stitch marker to mark where we started from, and then I'll go into the next space with 2 double crochet. I'll place another double crochet in that same space to make it 2. I'll go into the next space with 2 double crochet. So basically for row 2, I'll go into every space with 2 double crochet. So every space I'll be placing 2 double crochet stitch in every space all around the band. So basically what this does, or what this 2 double crochet in every space does, is to give it that ruffle like look, to make it look like those, normally a crunchy look ruffled. So to give it that ruffle like look, you put in to make it look like this basically. So at the end of my row 2, I will go into that stitch with a slip knot or a slip stitch to end. So I have successfully ended my row 2. So for row 3, so basically for this crunchy, I will need just 3 rows. So this is our last row, so I won't do any more rows after this row. This is our last row basically. So to get this row done, I will chain 4, and I will go into that same space with a triple crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet, whatever you call it. Yeah, that is the stitch I'll be using for this row. So remember, our first row was a single crochet stitch, our second row was a double crochet stitch, and now our third row is a triple crochet stitch. So we use the three different types of stitches in this video. So basically, this is how you make a triple crochet stitch. This is how you place a triple crochet stitch. So you place 2 triple crochet in every space all the way around. Yarn over, pull into, yarn over, pull into, and yarn over, pull into. Yeah. So basically, you will place 2 triple crochet all the way round the band. So that's what you'll be doing for the row 3 basically. So you will place triple crochet all the way around, just like so, till the end of that row. So I am at the end of the row, and my band is already in shape. So I'll just go into that stitch with a slip stitch to end, chain 1 and cut. So this is a scrunchie or crunchy, I don't know how you call that. But this is it basically, and look how beautiful this is. Nobody will know you used another ordinary rubber band to get this done, and these are the ones I use an acrylic fiber yarn to create. So let me know if you love this, and if you want to try it in the comment section. Please like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can connect with me on Instagram and TikTok, so you can tell me how this went. And please don't forget to like and share, so the algorithm will push my video to people that will be needing it. Thank you guys. See you all in the next one. Bye.